Small business funding is crucial for entrepreneurs looking to launch, expand, and maintain their operations successfully. Understanding the various funding options available is vital for making sound decisions that align with your business's specific requirements and objectives. There are several types of small business funding, each with unique attributes, advantages, and disadvantages. Debt financing involves borrowing money that must be repaid with interest over a set period. Common forms include term loans, which are lump sum loans repaid over a fixed period, ideal for established businesses with good credit. SBA loans are partially guaranteed by the U.S. Small Business Administration, often featuring lower rates and longer repayment terms. Business lines of credit offer flexible financing for short-term needs, functioning much like a credit card but with higher limits. Equipment financing is specifically designed for purchasing necessary machinery or tools for your operations. Invoice financing or factoring utilizes your receivables and outstanding orders as collateral to secure immediate funds. Business credit cards are useful for managing smaller cash flow gaps, typically for businesses with good credit scores. Equity financing involves investors providing capital in exchange for a partial ownership stake in your company. Venture capital, or VC, is private equity for startups and small businesses with high growth potential, offering financial backing, expertise, and management experience. Angel investors are individuals or groups who invest in early-stage companies for equity, often making quicker decisions and investing smaller sums than VCs. Crowdfunding allows you to raise funds from a large group of people or backers to support your business launch and growth. Grants are funds that do not require repayment, offered by nonprofits, government agencies, and corporations. It's important to note that federal grants are generally not available for starting a business, but rather for specific projects or research. The SBA offers several key loan programs to support small businesses. The 7-Loan Program is the SBA's main offering for long-term financing, providing up to $5 million for various business needs. The 504 Loan Program provides long-term, fixed-rate financing for fixed assets like real estate or machinery, up to $5.5 million. Microloans are smaller loans of $50,000 or less, often targeted at businesses and nonprofit child care centers. Venture capital firms invest in early-stage, high-growth potential companies, taking on higher risks for potentially greater returns. Angel investors, on the other hand, are individuals who provide smaller amounts and often valuable expertise and connections. Beyond traditional loans and equity, other funding sources include small business grants, which are non-repayable funds from various organizations. Self-funding, or bootstrapping, involves utilizing personal savings, loans from family and friends, or personal assets. Community Development Financial Institutions, or CDFIs, offer financing to underserved communities and small businesses. To prepare for a funding application, first, clearly define your funding needs, including the required amount and its intended use. Next, develop a comprehensive business plan outlining your goals, strategies, and financial projections. Gather all necessary financial documents, such as statements and tax returns, to present a clear financial picture. Always check the eligibility criteria to ensure your business meets the requirements for your chosen funding program. Finally, craft a compelling proposal that highlights your business's strengths and the potential impact of the funding. Several additional considerations are crucial when seeking small business funding. A good credit score is often necessary for traditional and SBA loans, reflecting your financial reliability. Some lenders require a minimum operating history, typically 2 years, to demonstrate business stability. Demonstrating consistent cash flow is crucial for proving your ability to repay the loan. Lenders may also require a personal guarantee, making you personally liable if the business defaults. By carefully evaluating these factors and exploring all available funding options, entrepreneurs can significantly improve their chances of securing the necessary capital. This strategic approach will help you achieve your business objectives and foster long-term success.